There's no way it's just a battery.
Did anything come out?
No, do it again.
The engine actually turned over. There's no leaks.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh no,
That's
there's
good.
no way. That's so good.
If
If
you
I've
just got another ball game.
Nah, there's no way. It's too good to be true. If we put those plugs back in, there's still the issue of there was loose sump plugs and no coolant. That's still, it ain't gonna be just plugs. But that crank's way good.
That's smooth.
Could it literally have just been a dead battery? Surely not.